I had to get a thumbnail. Hey. I don't know where he's coming from. Good thing I'm paying attention, somewhat. I'm gonna go on this side. I think this is just gonna be cut into me working on the bike because I really don't know what else to record today. I don't want to go too far. My chain's flapping really hard, so I need to just adjust that. But I don't wanna. Let it run out of gas because I don't want to have it sitting there and smell like fuel while I'm working on it. Perfect. The only reason I'm using the bucket is because all of our, oh, that's off. All of our water's been pushed out of the hoses because of freezing temperatures, so I can't really use anything other than a rag right now. Which will work. Yeah, that's doing the job. It doesn't need to be pretty, I just need to get it somewhat decent. But yeah, this is what I've been kind of avoiding doing. Oh, now my water's all muddy. Just because I didn't want to have to deal with it and I was hoping I was going to ride it in the rain. But I haven't been riding in the rain, so I haven't really had a chance to clean it. You know, it's kind of loose. I might just be able to... Yeah. That kind of works. I just need this bolt clean in the other side. So I haven't rode much since the last video, just kind of waiting because I didn't really want to ride in the rain. I think it would have been a lot easier for me to probably clean the bike if I rode it in the rain. But I've just been lazy. Oh, okay. I'm not paying attention. There goes my glove. Yeah. Yeah, no, that works fine. Just pour the water on it. It is a dirt bike. Alright, yeah, that's plenty fine. I guess I'll see you in the garage once I get this back in there. Okay, we're back in the garage, so now I can get it up on the stand. I wish I had one of those dirt bike stands, but I sold it a while ago with my dirt bikes, so now I kind of gotta just be stuck using this, which isn't that bad, just kind of sketchy getting up on it. But it still works. Now I just gotta find the right size. I don't think it's a size that I have in my universal toolbox here, because I always forget what size it is. Also have to get that out. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing out of here. I mean, like, I left the garage door open. It's pretty warm today. It's surprising. It's nice. They said it's supposed to stay this warm for a while. So hopefully I'll get a ride a couple more times before it starts freezing. Yeah, I need bigger than that. What size are you? Ooh, okay, that's why that's the black one. And it does fit good. I think the chain's probably on its last legs because I've already extended it pretty much as far as it's going to go, so I think it's going to need a replacement here soon. What do I want to click to? I just need to delete. I need it to be a little bit tighter. It's one away from 7. That should be good. I don't know. It's still kind of loose. Let's see if I can go all the way to 7. Yeah, that's the end of that chain's life. It's stretched as far as it's going to go. Is that max? No. That is. Yeah, this really is just a temporary fix, like everything. It's lined up. Where's the hole? There it is. Got it. How's that looking? I forgot to check. That is a lot tighter. Yeah. Less play. And not too, it's a little tight, but it's most likely gonna adjust itself. So that's that done. Now I just need to adjust. I really don't want to pull the carb off today. I think I might just adjust the enriching screw. Where is my flashlight? So let's, oh God, don't tip over the mic. Ugh. I don't know if you can see it, but right there is this little screw head here. It's flat and Should probably adjust this with my hands. So I'm going to twist it all the way in. Yep, so that's all the way in. Doesn't go anymore. And I think what they said online is you want to twist it between 2 and 3.5 turns out. Any more than that, and I need to adjust the actual carb itself. So let's see. Let's go half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. Now let's do 3.25. We'll see how that plays out. If it's still giving me issues, I might have to take the carb apart. But for right now, that is everything I needed to do, more or less. I probably needed to do more, but I don't want to. Nor do I have the money and time for it. So, yeah, next time you see it, it's gonna hopefully be with me riding it. All right, let's cut back to that. Bye-bye.